So the person who is avoiding responsibility, the person who is away from the responsibilities, the person who is running away from the problems, he's always going to increase his problems. He's always going to multiply his problems, man. Remember carefully. He's feeling that I'm escaping, but the severity of the problem is rising. This person don't know. Array, normal person, he can use any type of cloth, he can do whatever he want. Freedom will be there for the normal person. But for the slave, no freedom. No freedom. His situation is out danger. Can you please imagine? Slave. Lifetime he required work for only his owner. Then he felt like anything, man. Dabasir. Then the owner who bought Dabasir as a slave, he took Dabasir and he kept in front of his four wives are there. Okay, that merchant who bought Dabasir, four wives are there, just take it. Then the first wife, named with what the name? Siri. Okay, Sira. 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 The first wife. I want the Basir because he had the knowledge of camels, right? I have camels. Okay. This is slave required for me, like Sira asked that the Basir to hand over. Now that slave, okay, is required to work under Sira. So do you know Sira? She's the too good, kind-hearted. She asked the Dabasir, why you become slave? What about your background? All these things, that lady, just a inquiry, just asking. So then he told, my life was very happy life. I prepared some camel and horse related items. Next I married. And then just for luxuries I habitized, borrowing everywhere. And then I'm not in a position to repay. To escape from that responsibility, I left Babylon. Then I joined in the robbery group. I worked somewhere, not happy. Joined in the robbery group. So first robbery successfully happened, but second robbery, policemen arrested. Policemen means soldiers arrested. And then the soldiers sold me as a slave in Syria. Your husband bought me. And then I came here like that. Then this person is hardworking, this person having camel knowledge well, like what Sira asked only one question. Remember very carefully. She asked only one question. Do you have soul of slave or do you have soul of free man? Like she asked the question. Listen very carefully. Now, Vinka, do you have the soul of slave or do you have soul of freedom, soul of free person like that? Then this person, then that lady told, okay, if you have soul of free person, let me know. I will help you to release. Don't run from the responsibilities. Go to the Babylon. Clear all your loans. And then bring back your wife and leave respectable position. If you have that freedom soul, let me know. I will help you. If you are still having slave soul only, then okay, continue here to work until your lifetime. Like Sira asked Damasir. Wonderful lady. Then Dabasir told, I don't want to be slave. I want to be a free person. I want to be a respectable person. I want that soul, that freedom soul I want, not this one. Like he told to the Sira. Then what the Sira did is, next week, we are traveling to my mother's place. My mother is not feeling well. Okay, whenever you are traveling with me, I will give 2 camels. and I will arrange food and water. Can you please go away? Then I will convey some way to my husband, like Sira told. In the next week, they traveled to mother's house, and she arranged full food, water, full food and water, two camels. With the help of these two camels, happily you can travel to Babylon. Like she released Dabasir